aho rero twari dusohotse tugiye gushaka icyo kurya. Muri no minsi twari tumerewe neza, imbeho isa nk'iyashize gatoya, ariko guys ntabwo byoroshye. Ubu nkubwiye ijoro ko neje zaguye, mbabwiye neje zaguye mwakumirwa. N'imodoka nta nubwo iri kugenda, uri kugenda wigengesereye. Aho rero twashatse kurya ibiryo byo hanze. Yes, ubwo twagiye mu Bashinwa kuko niho haba our favorite food, aho bita TNT. Aba bafite ibintu byinshi nkunda, ibinyafurika, ibigori. Njye rero nkaba ndi seafood woman, ndi seafood kabisa. Yes, aho ngaho rero twashakaga ibintu turi bumwe, ariko ni ibisukari gusa nyine, nawe urabyumva, ariko ntabwo byoroshye. Yeah, aho rero twakomeje tureba. Guys, ntabwo byoroshye kubatembereza, ariko nyine be patient. Yeah.
Maybe I'll just leave. Maybe I won't get it for now. Yeah, I'll drink something. I'll drink tea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me, I know what I need. Me, you choose what you need to.
Mwihangane murebe nuko nyine bimeze.
Sushi? I don't
Baba
know.
bafite ibiryo batetse already, buri muntu agashakisha. You choose what you need and what you like.
Last time I said,
This is how it is.
just put a little bit.
You understand?
I need really.
Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna.
My baby girl, she took rice and chicken. She likes chicken. But for me, you will see what I will choose.
For me, I'm here.
See the food, see the food. This is the beef stew. It's not bad too. Yeah,
This is beef.
it's not bad.
Yeah.
But I don't like too much. What I like when it's shrimp, I'm serving myself without limit. Hey, namwe murabyumva aho ngaho. I like veggies too, broccoli, some carrots. Murakomeza mureba. Guys, ibaze urwo rusorori rwose. Aha, this is my favorite now. You can see the food, see the seafood. Hey, ntababwira Abashinwa, ibaze nk'ibi shrimp, the big shrimp like that. Is it normal or is something bigger? I never see that, but I like it. It's so tasty, it's so yummy.
Madam,
I know more Rwandese doesn't eat that,
I like last
but me, I don't know where I'm coming from.
I like.
Maybe I'm coming from China. Okay. Ihangane. There were people who doesn't like.
What is that?
I'll see, but don't judge.
Oh,
Yeah. And listen and don't judge. Don't judge. This is my
yeah.
baby was helping me to
What is that?
love the lid because With
Again?
camera I cannot do off.
Oh, this is the rice.
She took chicken. Yeah. Finally we took sushi. Too much sushi too. Everything is seafood. Yeah, if you invite me, make me an order for seafood. I will appreciate. My favorite. With salmon fish. But there is more different. You can choose what you like, okay? But if you don't like, you don't like. But for people who knows, they know.
Okay. We can take one and
Yep.
maybe. Oh, we're enough.
Okay for me. Yeah,
Okay,
this
me
is
too.
more than enough.
Me too. Nothing to drink.
More cheesecake?
Yeah, I like. I like.
You want to share this one?
This one is good.
Yeah,
It's crunchy and
Yeah, Miguel will have that.
let me take one little champagne.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,